if you are in this situation, or this situation, then this is just the video for you. I'm going to show you that you still need and can save for an emergency fund. I have a 52-week savings challenge that will help you save for your emergency fund, even if you're in this situation, or this situation. Stay tuned and let me show you how. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Thank you for stopping by. Wanda is my name and saving money is my game. If you're not saving for emergencies, let's make it yours too. Let's save more in 2025. Let's save more money in 2025, and we'll be glad that we did. And I'm asking if you would subscribe to this channel where you get great value. Click the thumbs up button, drop me a comment and let me know what you think of this video. Is it helpful? Is it a great idea? I'm very curious to know. And would you share this video because there may be someone that could use this content also? And would you click the notification bell so you may be notified every time I upload a new video? I want to say thank you for being here. Welcome to everyone, and I hope everyone is doing well. And if you're doing this particular savings challenge or any of the other savings challenges, let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. Yes, because I'm happy. I'm happy that you all are saving for emergencies, your emergency fund, because we need one, regardless of our situation. They come and they can be voided, and we want to be ready and prepared. Okay, so I have 7 savings challenges, and today's savings challenge is savings challenge number 1, which I do on Mondays. And what you need for this savings challenge, hopefully you can get a container like this. This is a container that I bought from Walmart. It was in between $13 and $14. It was full of water. I bought the container, brought it home, poured the water out, let it dry out real good. And every Monday, since the beginning of 2024, I've been adding 10 $1 bills in here. So that's what you're gonna need, a container. And if you can't get this, just get something, okay? It don't have to be this, but you know, you can get this too. And then you're gonna need 10 $1 bills, okay? So, last Monday, I missed this video. And I was gonna try to do it one day, but I thought, okay, next Monday, I'll just double the amount. So last Monday, I would have put 10 $1 bills in. And since I didn't do the video, I'm going to put 20 $1 bills in here today to show you how patience, consistent, and discipline pays off, and it adds up. When we put small amounts of money away every time we get some money, put it away to the side, it adds up over time. Yeah, so look at this. I don't know if you all saw this when I first started this. This was empty. Now look at it. It's almost full. And the goal is to save $1,000 because we need at least $1,000 for our emergency fund, and that will cover emergency up to $1,000, okay? But we don't want to stop there. We want to save 3 to 6 months of our living expenses. Sit down and calculate what your living expenses will be for the month. Multiply that times 3 or 6, and that will let you know how much you need to save. That way, if you have a situation like this, you will have 3 to 6 months of your living expenses, and you can still live on. You can still pay some bills. You can still buy food until, you know, your situation gets better. Now, I always let you know you need income for this. You gotta have some money. Talk is cheap. It takes money to buy land, okay? And if you're in this situation, this will be a great savings challenge for you because, like I said, we're working with small amounts of money. But if you're in this situation, do whatever you can. Find a way to increase your income, okay? You can do side hustles, become an entrepreneur, start a business. You can do a YouTube channel, yeah, like I'm doing. And I still work a 9 to 5, and I have 2 side hustles. I was going to get another one, but between my 9 to 5 and those 2, it was just too much on me. And I'm not trying to stress myself and put myself in any bad health. And I don't, want you all to do that either. You know what you can do, so. But there's things out there you can do that you can make a lot of money. Just do your research. Go on YouTube. Go on Google. And find ways to increase your income. Okay? All right. And we want to do that because we don't want to have to run out and get this. Okay? Or this. Or this. Or run up a bunch of this when an emergency comes. We want to already have the money. Okay? And saving 3 to 6 months of your expenses should help you cover things like this. All right? And like I said, if you're in this situation also, and this situation, this will be a great savings challenge for you. Okay? And I just have to stress this. Don't eat out so much. Go to the grocery store, buy food, cook, and meal prep. And while you're in the store buying food, buy this also. Because if you go to here 2 or 3 times a week, that can be money that can go towards your emergency fund. If you buy this coffee, you will have more coffee and spend less money. Yes. And another thing that can help you, do whatever you can to come out of this and this. You might want to increase your income. Okay, do whatever you can. That will help you also, because we don't want to be in this situation when an emergency comes. No, we don't. We want to be ready. When emergency comes, we want to say, oh yeah, I got that. No problem. No. Yeah. And you can. When I think about all these savings challenges that I have, actually, my savings, this money that I'm using is for video purposes. Okay, I have my emergency fund and my 3 to 6 months of my living expenses. Okay, all right. So I'm going to go ahead. Okay, like I said, I usually only put 10 $1 bills. And today I have 20. Okay. All right. So yeah. And I'm just trying to show you all how you can, be disciplined and patient. And if you miss a week, just try to catch it up the next week. Or, if you do it every 2 weeks, try to double it if you can. Okay. All right. So I'm not going to count this now and put it in. I'm just going to count it as I put it in. Okay, so let me go ahead and add this in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay. You see look how full this is getting. Okay, and this is not even $1,000 yet. All right. Okay, so let me go ahead and record this. Where's my pen? I hope this pen writes. Okay, so today is Monday, May the 5th, and this is our money bottle savings challenge. And we added $20. Okay, let's see how much we did in last week. Monday. Okay, yeah, on the 28th, I didn't do anything. So on the 21st of April, that's the last time I put money here, it was $660. So that makes $680. Wow, almost $700. Wow. Okay, I'm doing these videos to encourage and motivate someone to start saving for emergencies if they're not. I hope it's working. I believe it is, according to the comments that you are leaving. Thank you for leaving comments, letting me know your progress. I'm so happy. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful. I hope you got great value. Drop me a comment. Let me know if you're doing this particular savings challenge or any of the other savings challenge, and let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. I have joy, unspeakable joy, and I'm trying to rub it off on you all too. Okay? All right, so thank you for stopping by. There's a handle. Okay. You all have a safe, wonderful day, and happy savings. I'll catch you in the next video.